Your 20s and 30s are pivotal decades for building the foundation of your financial future. The choices you make now can set the stage for long-term success, or lead to struggles down the road. Today, let's talk about 5 common money mistakes people make in their 20s and 30s and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Not starting to save early. One of the biggest financial regrets people have later in life is not saving early enough. In your 20s, it's easy to think retirement is decades away, but that's exactly why starting early is so powerful. Thanks to compound interest, even small amounts saved now can grow significantly over time. For example, if you invest just $200 a month starting at age 25, you could have over $500,000 by the time you retire. Waiting even a decade could cut that figure in half. Start small, prioritize saving, and make it a habit. Mistake 2. Living beyond your means. It's tempting to splurge on new gadgets, luxury vacations, or dining out frequently, especially when you start earning a steady income. But living beyond your means can lead to debt and financial stress. The key is to budget realistically. Stick to the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. It's okay to enjoy life, but make sure your spending aligns with your income and long-term goals. Mistake 3. Not building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, cars break down, medical bills appear, and job layoffs happen. Without an emergency fund, these unexpected expenses can throw you into debt. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. It might take time to build, but even starting with $500 can provide a buffer and peace of mind. Mistake 4. Ignoring credit and debt. Your credit score is more important than many people realize. It affects your ability to get loans, rent apartments, and even secure certain jobs. Common mistakes like missing payments, maxing out credit cards, or taking on high-interest debt can hurt your financial health. To avoid this, pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid taking on unnecessary debt. If you're already in debt, focus on paying it down systematically. Consider the snowball or avalanche method. Mistake 5. Not investing in yourself. Your 20s and 30s are the perfect time to invest in skills, education, and experiences that can increase your earning potential. Whether it's learning a new language, taking courses to advance your career, or networking, these investments can pay off significantly over time. The mistake is neglecting this opportunity in favor of short-term gratification. Think of it as planting seeds for a brighter financial future. Bonus tip: failing to plan for the future. Many people in their 20s and 30s avoid financial planning because it feels overwhelming or unnecessary. But without a plan, it's easy to lose track of your goals. Start by setting clear financial objectives, whether it's saving for a house, paying off student loans, or retiring early. Use tools like budgeting apps or consult a financial advisor to create a roadmap tailored to your life. Final thought: avoiding these common money mistakes in your 20s and 30s can save you years of financial stress and help you build the life you want. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making intentional choices and learning as you go. So, take a moment to assess your finances today. What changes can you make to set yourself up for success tomorrow? Your future self will thank you.